Hey guys, it's your girl Christine. This is probably going to be the weirdest intro for this video. Today we're going to be doing DIY designer shoes. The reason why this intro looks so funny is because for some reason my other intro got deleted. I'm not sure exactly what happened to it. Basically, some of these shoes probably look super familiar because I said I had purchased them in my $1,000 glow up video. In reality, that video was entirely faked. I mean, aside from getting my hair done and getting my extensions, which I did actually purchase, everything else I did, the shoes, the nails, the spray tans, the clothes I bought, everything was either DIY'd or free. I didn't actually spend $1,000. I'm a broke college student. I can't actually spend $1,000. So this is just a video leading into my new segment called Broke Babe Hacks. So I hope you guys enjoy this video on do-it-yourself designer shoes, and I hope you guys don't hate me for lying about that $1,000 glow video. Okay, here we go.
All right, so first pair of shoes we are going to be DIYing to designer shoes are these cute pair of little pink wedges, I guess. I got these off of Wish for like $18. Basically, this whole idea is to buy cheap shoes and then make them look more expensive without breaking your budget. And if you guys haven't seen, I did do this mirror tray by myself. This is also a DIY. I will link that in the description if you want to see how to make this. But let's get started on this one. So I got this cute, lovely, sparkly applicator off of Amazon. And I figured with this, we could easily take that and put that right here and put that as like the front of the strap. Like, just adding that applique made this obviously look so much more extra, a little bit more designer, just having a little gem on there, because obviously anytime you add a little gem on there, it's gonna be super cute. We're definitely gonna let these dry overnight, and obviously I have to hold these up because it's a little heavy for them. But I think shoe number one, that's super cute. Okay, next I got these cute pumps. Yes, they do have red bottoms. When I bought them, like, these are also off of Wish. When I bought them, it didn't show at all what their bottoms look like, but they came in as red bottoms, and so that was even better because, you know, designer shoes have red bottoms, but they're just cute little pumps, pointed toes, cute little red. If you guys want to do the same exact shoe, I'll put the link down in the description, or if you want to buy a similar one but the bottoms aren't red, there is paint you can buy off of Amazon for the red on here. So for these gorgeous girls, I kind of want to do business in the front, party in the back kind of thing. So business in the front, and then with the back I got more blingy appliques. Guys, I promise not all of these shoes are going to be blingy, but you know, designer shoes, they just tend to like looking blingy. So I think I will just kind of take this and I'm going to like cut it to form to the shoe, and then we're just gonna kind of glue it on like this. I'm probably going to cut like all this little extra applique stuff off, and then we're probably going to kind of cinch it like that onto the shoe. So we're going to hopefully use glue on that. Gorgeous. So freaking gorgeous. Look at that. You can even see, I just love this. I love the red bottoms with this. It just makes it even so much more extra. Like, I had to switch to my other camera, guys, because my one camera died and I don't have extra batteries for it, so sorry if this looks funny. Anyways, so next we're going with these cute little black booties. They've got an open toe, they've got an open heel in the back, they're just a blank canvas to start a masterpiece. I have these cute little rose appliques. I got these from Joanns. I was totally going to use them for something else, but then I saw these boots and I was like, perfect. So we're basically just gonna glue these on like so to the side here. I kind of get like a Dolce and Gabbana like kind of feel, or like Steve Madden. This maybe also be Steve Madden. Anyways, but they're just cute. And I think the red really stands out on the black, so we're just gonna glue those right on there and see how this goes. You guys, these are my favorite ones yet. Look at that. So one thing I want to point out is that these appliques were like the exact same. They weren't like a mirrored effect, so the shoes ended up on each side being a little bit different, but I'm like actually kind of okay with that, because like they look similar enough, but they're still super stinking cute. Like, oh my gosh, come on guys. And there you guys have it, all 3 do-it-yourself designer shoes. It's amazing what a little E6000 glue and some cute accents can do for a pair of shoes. Gorgeous. I hope you guys liked this video as much as I did, and if you want to see more in the future just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!
Dancing,